Let's create this rotating text effect with an image using SVG and CSS. We'll begin with some boilerplate code. Let's add a title. We'll use a def here since content in defs are not displayed visually unless referenced. So then we'll define a circular path which will be used to guide our text into a circular shape. We'll set the radius a bit smaller than the size of the circle that we actually need. Let's say 150. Next, let's create a main circle around the text with a radius of say 180. We'll define these inside a group as the elements are related. For now, let's set the fill to transparent and the border to 2. Then define a text container with an arbitrary length. Adjust it according to the number of letters that you need. Link the text path to the circular path created previously in the def like so. Then let's add some minimal styling to the text. Now for the animation, we'll define the keyframes here to rotate the text to its final state of 360 degrees. And also set its transform origin to the center of the circular path, which will give us something like this. I would also want an image background of the circle. For that, I'll first define a clip path and then a circle within it, so that it behaves as a circular mask. We'll keep it the same as the radius of the main circle, that is 180. Let's finally add an image with a large width and a height. The X and Y values are used to adjust the origin of the image to fit the clip path. Then the image can be linked to the clip path with this ID. Also make sure the image is defined above the circle, as the stacking order is important in the SVG markup. For my example, I'm also adding an overlay for the image using a linear gradient. A stop tag is needed for defining the colors and position in the linear gradient. The gradient is defined from the top 50 to the bottom, and then we'll apply it to the circle as a fill, like shown here. The final output should look something like this. For a working example, check the links in the description.